Dear DIYer, today I bring you a quick and easy DIY tutorial on how to make your very own flower crown. These are literally the only supplies that you'll need, and everything that you see here I purchased from the Dollar Tree except for the wire cutters, which came from Michael's. So let's jump right into this DIY. The first thing you need to do is arrange your flowers in a circle according to your desired color pattern. Once you've done this, you're going to connect the flowers at the stem with floral wire by simply wrapping the floral wire around the stems where they meet. And you'll see me doing that right about here. Pause real quick. I'm gonna need y'all to be very careful because floral wire can puncture your skin, and I don't need anybody getting cut, pierced, or hurt in any way, shape, or form during this video. Okay? Now let's get back into this tutorial. As you are connecting the flowers at the stem, and before you completely close your circle off in order to create the base or foundation of your flower crown, put it on top of your head and measure it to make sure that it actually fits. And at this point, you can decide whether you need to take a flower or two away or add more. So at this point, keep in mind whether you want it to fit loose or snug and edit it accordingly by adding or taking away flowers. And right about now would be a great time to take another quick pause for me to let you guys know that the floral wire is still exposed here. So as you are trying on your flower crowns, be gentle so that it does not get stuck in your hair. Trust me, it's unpleasant. Repeat the process of trying on your flower crown and adding flowers if you need to until you get the right measurement for your head. At this point, I have done that several times and I am ready to close off my flower crown. And of course, I'm wrapping the wire around several times until it's tight. And here we have the base or foundation of our crowns. And this brings us to step 2, the fill-in process. So you'll be taking the rest of the artificial flowers and filling in the empty spaces within the flower crown. You'll attach them just as you did before with the floral wire by wrapping it around the stem. Now keep in mind, you do not have to use as many flowers as I am. I simply prefer a full look and I do not like for my stems to show at all. So alter this according to your preferences. And finally, step 3. The last step. Yes, we are almost done, y'all. So we'll be taking this floral tape and wrapping it around the entire stem of the floral crown. This will ensure that all of the floral wire that was exposed is now covered so that when you wear it on your head, it doesn't get caught in your hair. I would advise using small pieces of tape at a time because it will make it more manageable and less likely to get tangled. And you would just keep repeating this process until the entire circumference of the flower crown is covered and you end with something like this. Isn't that gorgeous? So whether you needed a flower crown for a baby shower, a wedding, a photo shoot, or you just want to embrace your crown as a royal loyal, I hope you ended this video with a bomb headpiece. So go ahead and embrace your crown because royalty looks good on you. I'll see you in the next video. Happy YouTubing!